I'm here checking my mixture. Checking on it. See, it shrink down from when we started. It was a full pot. So to recap, this is a cabbage, small, medium cabbage, some carrots, some kale, 2 bundles of kale, onions and pepper, garlic, and some seasoning. For the seasoning, we use lemon and pepper, I use garlic, chopped garlic, and crushed red pepper flakes. And I use a little bit beef broth. So let's stir it up again and cover it back and let it continue to cook down. Let's check the tenderness. I know I put in the carrots. The carrots is not going to be cooked right now, so let's check the veggies, the kale. Cover it back. See you again in Andrea's kitchen. So we're plating up the veggies. As I said, this is carrots, cabbage, kale, onions, pepper, cut asparagus. See you again in Andrea's kitchen.